Hi there, welcome. So in this video we are going to configure rerouting protocols. So I have already created this diagram, connected these devices. I have two routers in here. This is one router, this is another router, and two switches and two PCs. So since I have two routers in here, so we can assume in here that we are going to have three networks. This is one network, and this is the second network, and this is the third network. So I want to have a connection between these two laptops or PC, between this PC 0 and PC 1. So I already assigned IP address to these devices. Let me show you. For example, for this PC, I have subnetted this already. 192.168.1.0, this is one network /24, and 2.2 is the second network, and .3 is the third network. So I have assigned 1.1 IP address to this laptops, and 1.2 to this port of routers, and 2.1 to this port, and 2.2 this ports, and so on, and also this network. So let me show you the IP address of this router, port of this router. For example, show IP interface brief. As you can see, 1.2 is 0/0, and 2.1 is this port of router. So now I'm going to configure rerouting protocols. So for this purpose, we need to go to global configuration mode, and we have to specify router rep. That's it, router rep. So in here we have to specify and assign three things. One is version. RIP has two versions, version 1 and version 2. So it is good to use from version 2 because it has more functionality. RIP version 2, and we are going to say no auto summary. This is the second things that we have to specify, and the third thing is we have to assign the network. Since the RIP is dynamic routing protocols, so we have to specify and assign the connected network to this router. In dynamic routing protocols, we are assigning the connected networks. So I'm going to specify for this router the connected networks, and the connected networks are 1.0 and 2.0. So we are going to specify these two networks. Network 192.168.1.0. This is the one network, and this is the network 2.0. So this is the two networks. So I'm going to end this configuration, save it, and show IP route. For example, as you can see, this network is connected, this network is connected, and this okay, since we have these two network connected networks, once I assigned the configured routing protocols of RIP in this router also, so it's going to show this network 3 as well. So if I run show IP protocols, as you can see, it says that you have configured RIP routing protocols. It is sending updates every 30 seconds, and this for example, more information invalid is 180 seconds, and hold time is 180 also, flash time is 280 seconds, and so on. And it has maximum path of 4, and these are the connected networks. Okay, now let's move to the second router, and we have to specify the same configure in here as well. So let me show you the IP address of this port of this router. Show IP interface brief. As you can see, the IP address already assigned to these ports, port 0 and port 1. Okay, let's go to global mode, configuration mode, conft router rip version 2. We're going to use from version 2, and no auto summary. Okay, now we have to specify our connected network to this router. To this router, the connected networks are 3 and 2. Okay, let's assign this to network 192.168.2.0. this one network, and the second network is 3.0. Okay, that's it. Let's end, save it, show IP route. Okay, show IP protocols. As you can see, the rerouting protocols has been configured to this network. These two networks are connected. So let us show IP route. Okay, it says that this network is connected 2.0 and 3.0 is also connected. C means connected, and this R is the remote networks. That is, it is automatically found this network. This 1.0 is this network that is not connected to this router, but it is automatically found this network because it is a dynamic routing protocols, and we are only just assigning the connected networks. If I go to this router, for example, show IP route, it is saying this network is connected 1.0 and 2.0 is also connected. This is 1.0, this is 2.0, and this network is 3.0 is not connected, but it is automatically found this network because it is dynamic routing protocols. Okay, now let's move and ping this PC. The IP address of this PC is 3.1, and the default gateway for this PC is 3.2. 3.2 is the IP address of this port, fast 0/1. So, and also the default gateway for this PC, is 1.2, and the IP address of itself is 1.1. The IP address of 1.2 is the IP address of this port. Okay, now let's ping the PC 1 from here. Let's first of all, let's ping our default gateway, ping 192.168.1.2. This is our default gateway, the IP address of this port. If I enter, it says that we have a connection to our default gateway. So if I ping this port fast 0/0, the IP address of fast 0/0 is, I think, 2.2. Okay, let's ping this 2.2. Okay, great. It means that we have connection till this port as well. So now let's ping this PC1, that check that we have connection or not. The IP address of the second PC is 3.1. Yeah, great. So it is showing us that we have connection to this PC as well. It means that we have connection from this PC to this PC using RIP routing protocols. If I turn on my simulation and ping it again, okay, ping PC1, play simulation. As you can see, the packet is coming to the switch, and switch is forwarding to this router, and router is checking all the information and forwarding to that the second router, and the router is forwarding to this switch, and finally to this PC, and the response is coming back to the PC. Okay, so that's it for this video. This is how we can configure RIP routing protocols. This is basically a dynamic routing protocols that we can use it in network, and usually we are using in this for small networks. So this is how we can configure RIP routing protocols. So thank you.